Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to make a savings account on Barclays in 2025. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a vacation, or that dream gadget, opening a savings account with Barclays is a smart move. It's quick, secure, and tailored for the future with their updated digital features. By 2025, Barclays has made the process even more user-friendly with AI-assisted tools and enhanced security. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're eligible. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, a UK resident, and have some basic ID ready, like a passport or driving license. Barclays might also check your credit history, so it's good to have that in mind. Step 1. Head over to the Barclays website or app. In 2025, they've got a sleek interface. Look for the Open an Account section. You'll be prompted to sign up or log in if you're already a customer. New users, don't worry, it's straightforward. Just enter your personal details, like your name, address, and contact info. Next, choose your savings account type. Barclays offers options like easy access or fixed-term savings. Pick one that fits your needs. Then, verify your identity. This could involve uploading documents or a quick video call for extra security, which is a standard in 2025 to prevent fraud. Once verified, fund your account. You can link it to your existing bank or make an initial deposit via debit card or bank transfer. Barclays might even offer a welcome bonus for new accounts in 2025. Check for promotions. Finally, review and confirm everything. You'll get a confirmation email, and your account will be active. Remember to set up alerts for transactions to keep track of your savings. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Barclays savings account up and running in no time. If you run into any issues, Barclays 24/7 chat support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.